Welcome everyone to an introduction to private equity real estate. In this module, we are specifically going to define what we mean by private equity real estate. We're going to, by the hand of an illustration, show you the differences between public and private equity. But we're also going to touch on the market participants. So the partnership structure between the limited partner, the general partner, also involving potentially sponsors, and how sometimes a joint venture is created. We're also going to look at private equity funds. We're going to talk about primary and secondaries. We're going to talk about vintages and what that means and why that is so incredibly important within a fund structure. By the end of it, you'll also understand that it is fundamentally different in investing in a private equity fund and a single private equity deal. We will conclude on the promote structure, which is essentially the compensation structure to kind of distinguish between the preferred return that the LP gets. And then, of course, if there's any additional clauses like a catch-up clause for the GP, depending on the deal structure and what that waterfall looks like. And we'll also explain that at the hand of an example. After this module, you'll have a fundamental understanding of private equity, a broad understanding of it, and it will serve as the introduction and the foundation of everything we will do throughout the rest of this course.